This is the kit that I purchased to mount it to the wall. It's got a piece that holds the top in place, a base that holds the handle, and then it's got some screws and some anchors to mount it. First I wanted to find the center of my wall and determine if there were any studs there or whether I was going to use the anchors. So I marked where the center of the wall was and used a stud finder to locate the studs. In my case, I'm going to use anchors. Next, I'm just going to kind of position this, kind of eyeball about the height that I want it to be, and then I will mark the bottom of the lightsaber. That kind of gives me my starting point for where the bottom bracket needs to go. Next, I measure up from where I want the base of the lightsaber to be and stop about 6 inches from the top of where the lightsaber is. And that's where I'm going to want to put the top bracket clip. So then I drill a hole where that is going to be located for my anchor in this case, and I pop that anchor in there. And then I grab that clip and put my screw in there and tighten that in place. Before I put the lights up on the wall, I'm just going to plug them in and make sure that they're working. And then I'm going to stretch them out and lay them next to the lightsaber on the table here, just to kind of figure out how I want to position those vertically once I get them on the wall. Then I'm going to measure up about 6 inches from the top of that top bracket, and that's where I'm going to use as my starting point as I mount the lights. Then I just stick them on up there and slowly peel the backing back as I go down, and I'm just using my level here just to kind of make sure that I'm keeping the lights level as I'm going up and down the wall. Once I've got the lights mounted, then I need to mount the bottom bracket on the wall. So I've got my line on there where I marked it earlier, and I'm just going to hold it in place and mark my 2 holes. Then I'm just going to draw a line across those holes with a level just to make sure that they're straight. Next I will drill my holes for the anchors to go into. Then we'll go ahead and push those anchors into the holes. I need to remove the protective plastic from the outside of this bracket. Now I've got my 2 screws. I get them pushed into the holes and started by hand a little bit, and then I'll put them in the rest of the way with the screwdriver. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and following some of the affiliate links in the description below to purchase the parts that I used in this video. Thanks a lot.